the names of the winners for today, there's a series of brief announcements that I think are important, students, for you and for your teachers. First, if there are sessions that you didn't get to see today, check out our English Festival YouTube channel. Many of the author presentations and insight sessions will be posted on the channel soon. Some of them already are, okay? Second, we're delighted to announce news about our 44th annual English Festival next year. We're hoping to have you back on campus then, and we're planning a warm welcome for you. First, the dates. The 2022 YSU English Festival will be held on April 6th, 7th, and 8th. And we're pleased to announce that our Thomas and Carol Gay Memorial Lecturers will be YA authors Candace Fleming and Joe Knowles, and our James Houck Lecturer will be graphic novelist Gareth Hines. Watch the English Festival website for further information about this exciting event, and we hope to have you with us on campus next year. Teachers, please remember our new arrangements for the English Festival Writing Award for teachers. Entries are not due until August 15th. Remember, we want to honor also a teacher for writing, and the entries aren't due then, and which means you'll have the summer to work on a piece. This is an opportunity to write about a book or some of the books that you've read for the festival, or even about the experience of working your way into bringing your kids to the festival. And this has been a most challenging year, so there might be an awful lot that you can talk about. Additional information about the contest is available on our website. Please consider entering. One more brief announcement to teachers. Please remember our Western Reserve of Ohio Teachers of English event tonight, starting at 6 p.m. Join us to celebrate the festival, and we'll once again have a chance to hear Ruta Cepedes talk about her work and the importance of historical fiction in the classroom. This event's reserved for teachers, librarians, and other adults. You should have received a flyer with a link to join the session. If you didn't and you'd like to come, be sure to email us and we'll immediately get it to you. And one more thing, we'd like to acknowledge some of our generous contributors for 2022. We couldn't possibly do this festival without the help and cooperation of our many donors. We particularly want to recognize a couple of grand benefactors today, the Todd Foundation and Dr. and Mrs. Gary Salvner in memory of Jeremy Salvner. We greatly appreciate all of these contributors, and a full list of all of them will appear in our Festival of Writing publication in the fall. Okay, we're ready to read some names, and Ruta's going to stay with us, and she's going to start off with reading the names of the winners in the art contest. And there are a number of other committee members who are joining us, and they're going to be taking their turns to read some more names. And as each of them comes on, they'll introduce themselves and introduce their contest. And so, Ruta, do you want to begin for us?
I would love to. Thank you so much. And I also, before I read the winners, I have to say, I'm seeing in the chat all of your sweet comments to me, and I am so grateful. I don't have the ability for some reason to respond to every, like reply all for some reason, but I see your comments, I see your questions, and I just want to say the inspiration is mutual. Thank you so much. All right, so here we go. The art contest. We have an honorable mention who receives a t-shirt and a pin. And this winner of the honorable mention is from, I hope I'm pronouncing this right, Baboski Homeschool. And the honorable mention goes to Alessandra Mateo. Yay! Okay, next we have a third prize and we have a first prize. So third prize, one winner receiving $50, a t-shirt and a pin is from ACLD School. And the third prize winner is Noah Travella. Okay, and first prize, one winner receives $100. Wow, a t-shirt and a pin. And the first prize winner is from Niles McKinley High School, Kiara Thomas. Congratulations.
I'm going to jump in next just to make some mention about the Jeremy Salvner Music Award. This is an opportunity for kids to write original music based on the books. In the junior high division this year, it just so happens that the winners came from the group that are going to be here on Friday. And so I don't have any names to mention right now, but I do want to mention that all of the winners are featured in a video that you can watch on our YouTube channel by Dan Cowan, who is a member of our music faculty. And I certainly encourage you to try your hand at one of these for next year. It's a great deal of fun, and we've received some just wonderful pieces of music. So I think we'll move on to graphic essay. Stacy, I think we have you for the graphic essay. Are you ready?
Yes, I was trying to unmute, sorry.
Gotcha.
Sorry. All right. I was building suspense. So, honorable mention to report today. One winner receives a festival t-shirt and pin. That would be Jackson Weber from Delahunty Middle School.
Congratulations. And we're going to move on to the writing games.
Yes, I have that list. My name is Angela Messenger. I am one of the co-chairs of the English Festival, and I was working with the individual session today as Dr. Salvner and Ron Fields worked with the group session. This is our team competition of the day and normally takes place in the Chestnut Room. So we're pleased to be able to present you prizes from teams today. On the fourth place team, we have Gavin Clay from West Branch Middle School, Corbin McGee, West Branch High School, Courtney Wilcox, Lincoln School, Bobby Liebert, West Branch High School. Congratulations to the fourth place team winners. They, by the way, will be receiving $20 and a festival t-shirt. The third place teams will receive, the team members will each receive $30 and a festival t-shirt. They're swanky. Okay, so the third place team members include Jenna Spies from Brookfield Middle School, Mason Graybill, Brookfield Middle School, and Ryan Jacobson, Brookfield Middle School. Congratulations. Our second place team members will be each receiving $40 and a festival t-shirt. These members include Caleb Land from East Palestine, Blazy Beiser from East Palestine, and Lillian Ratner from East Palestine. Okay, and finally, our first place team, yes, kudos, each receiving $50 and a festival t-shirt is Liliana Jewell from Delahunty, Megan Vance from Delahunty Middle School, and Michael Bauer from Delahunty Middle School in the Hermitage School District. Congratulations to our first place winners and to all of you who participated in writing games today. I think that we're going to move directly to Candace. Oh, I'm sorry, Not So Trivial Pursuit.
Yeah. Okay, so my name is Jackie Mercer. I am an English Festival committee member, and I am going to be reading the names for Not So Trivial Pursuit. These participants were in a fierce competition earlier this morning. I heard that it was very intense, but yet some of you emerged victorious. So these folks already know that they were winners, but we are going to announce them now. So we start with our fifth place winner. So we had two sessions and a fifth place winner in each session. These people will each receive an English Festival badge. So we have Carmela Carr from Lincoln Middle School and Jacqueline Reinhardt from Mineral Ridge High School. So congratulations, fifth place, Not So Trivial Pursuit winners. Fourth place, these folks both win an English Festival pin. So we have Patricia Horton from Lincoln Middle School and Kate Sutz from West Branch Local High School. Congratulations, fourth place winners. Third place winners. These people each get an English Festival notebook and a pin. So we have Elena Makel from West Branch Local High School and Madeline Clemon from West Branch Local High School. Good job, third place winners. Second place winners, each person receives an English Festival t-shirt, which again, super fancy, and a pin. So second place, we have Sophie Harper from West Branch Local High School and Bryn Smith from West Branch Local High School. Nice job, second place winners. And here we go. First place for this year's Not So Trivial Pursuit. Each first place winner receives an English Festival t-shirt, a notebook, and a pin. Ariana Aldridge, West Branch Local High School, and Philip Armstrong, Mineral Ridge High School. Congratulations to all of our Not So Trivial Pursuit winners. Good work.
Are we moving to Candace Gay, or are we doing journalism, or where are we?
I think we're moving straight to Candace Gay.
I think we'd like to do the journalism, but right now the winners are written in invisible ink, and I have not been able to crack the code to be able to read them. So we will move to Candace Gay.
And we will be letting those winners of journalism know by all means, and their material and their efforts will appear in our Festival of Writing. So congratulations to everyone who participated. I'm going to come back and talk about the Candace Gay Memorial Awards. This is the contest that started the festival at the very beginning 43 years ago, when Professors Tom and Carol Gay lost their daughter Candace to cancer and wanted to set up an essay contest in her memory. And the whole festival emerged from that. And here we are 43 years later. Some of you know, because this is a pre-festival contest, that students are invited to write about a book or some of the books based on a topic or a prompt that we give them. All of the junior high 7th through 9th grade students participate in the same division. And so some of these winners will be honored tomorrow, but we've got 2 of them here today, and they include the second prize winner. And I'm very proud to announce that the second prize winner in this year's Candace Gay Memorial Awards is a student from Hermitage High School, Delahunty Middle School, Liliana Jewell. Congratulations, Liliana. And the first prize winner, and by the way, the second prize winner will receive $200 from the Candace Gay Memorial Award Fund, and a t-shirt and a pin. And the first prize winner will receive $250 from the Candace Gay Fund and a special t-shirt and a pin. If some of you have been with us before at on the university itself, you know that there's quite a bit of a ceremony about announcing this grand prize winner. We invite the principal of the school to come and have the principal announce the teacher, who then announces the student. This is because we want to honor not only the student, but all of those people surrounding them who have helped to support these students in their efforts and in their writing. And so this year, we are very proud to announce that the winning school is Armstrong Junior Senior High School. And we are very equally proud to announce that the teacher of this student is Erin Burkett. And the winner, grand prize winner of the Candace Gay Memorial Awards Contest for 2021 is Nathan Ferraro of Armstrong Junior Senior High School. Congratulations to Nathan. Congratulations to everyone who entered. I hope all of you have had just a wonderful day today. We've had a wonderful time being with you. And we look forward, as we always say at the end of the festival, to see you next year. And we hope to have you on campus. So you don't have to jump into your buses to go home anymore the way you usually do, but have a nice afternoon and evening. We'll be announcing the books as we move along into the fall so that you can start reading for next year. Have a great rest of the school year and summer, and we'll see you next year at the YSU English Festival.
But we do have journalism to announce, so we're not going just yet. But wait, there's more.
There we go.
Dr. Buchanan, are you jumping in to announce, or do you want me to? You got them?
I'll be happy to. Angela, there was a late question in the chat about prizes. How do we get them? And we will mail them to you, or mail them to your school. That's correct, right?
Or schedule a pickup. So there's all sorts of scenarios.
Yeah.
So we'll be in touch. Some of it will potentially be some email communications if you have monetary prizes for you to complete. So forthcoming information, we'll kind of work with you or your contacts.
Some of you earlier in the day got to see Bridget Hios, and after she was done, apparently, I think she went and worked on cracking the invisible ink code on the journalism names, and she has been able to reveal them to us. And so here we go. We have one honorable mention, and that student receives a festival pin, and it goes to Sarah Tackett from Boardman High School. There is a third prize winner today. That student receives $50 and a festival t-shirt. Brooke Nelson from South Range Middle School, or it might be Nielsen. Second prize winner is receives $75 and a festival t-shirt from Delahunty Middle School, Hermitage High School, Matthew Erda. And the first prize winner, who in journalism workshop for writing a brief article on Ruta Sepetys based on the interview they did. This student receives $100 and a festival t-shirt, and that winner is Nathan Ferraro Armstrong. Congratulations, Nathan. Thank you all again.
Thank you all for coming. We'll see you next year at the English Festival.